Hello everybody. Now I am conducting class 5 social studies class. Again I am repeating now. I am conducting class 5 social studies class. Last day we have started chapter 4. Already two classes we have taken with this chapter. Today we will discuss about the evaluation of communication. Last day I think I have just given you the idea about the communication. Today we will learn it in a specific way and we will do it very clearly. Everybody open page number 39 and start to repeat after me. Communication means to be in touch with others through speaking, writing, reading and traveling. So if you want to communicate, it may be if you will type, if you will travel, if you will speak, or either you will do anything. And today it's very first because we are doing using the typing through WhatsApp, using the mail, and all these are the media to communicate with the people. We can communicate easily and quickly even with people who may be far away because of technology. Just as travel and transport were very different in earlier times, so were the method of communications. So this is very important thing, that these things are very important for us. We should communicate very widely, very important way with the others to find out the proper way. Early methods of communication. The earliest people communicated only by speaking. As cities and civilizations developed, people felt the need to write down things like details of the trade, poems, stories, messages, etc. Today, people all over the world use writing as an important way of communication with others. Just I spoke about that. So today it's really very important to communicate using the typing through your WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, many more medias are there through what we can communicate. Even many more improved media. Last day I have spoken about Google Meet, Google Duo and many others, Zoom. There are so many communication mediums are there through which we can communicate with others. For hundreds of years, letters were carried by people who traveled by walking, riding or by carriages or both. Sometimes letters took many months to reach. About 3000 years ago, people realized that homing pigeons had the ability to fly back to their homes. They could also be trained to fly between two places. People began to use pigeons to deliver messages quickly. Brief messages were tied to the tail leg of a pigeon who flew off to deliver it. This was so successful that pigeons were used even during battles right up to the 20th century to send urgent messages. Even the pigeons were carried many important news about the wars, okay, about the battles, and they knew how to come back to their home. So pigeons were used. That time pigeons were the like today's mail, okay, like WhatsApp, easily communicate. Technology development in communications. Printing press. All writing was done by hand until in 15th century CE, when the first printing press were invented in Germany. Letters of alphabet made of wood or metal were arranged on a machine to form words and sentences. These were inked and sheets of paper were then printed. That means we use this technology to develop these skills also. Okay. Come to the next page. Telegraph, telephone, typewriter. In 19th century, the telegraph, a method of sending messages quickly using electricity, was developed in England and United States. Later also in 19th century, the first telephone conversation took place in the United States. The first typewriter was invented at about the same time also in the United States. Radio and television. Messages were first seen by radio in early 20th century. Later, the first television messages were transmitted. Because of this technological development, communication became much easier and faster than before. So, we continuously developed from that time to today. from pigeons to then writing letters, then carrying by both strips, then further telegram, telepost, and all these things, typewriter, gradually we start to be developed. Communication, because of this technological development, communication became much easier and faster than before. The printing press made it possible to print many copies of books and newspapers, so knowledge and information became available to many people. The telegraph made it possible to send important messages much quicker than sending a letter, because telegram means like brief messages. If you reach somewhere, like if you want to send the telegram, what should you write? Mother, I reached at like date or time, just like that. Only brief message. Or if your result would come out, then what will you say? Good marks got at a percentage, like that. So brief messages we use generally using the telegram. With the with the telephone, people who were far away from each other could have a conversation. With the typewriter, people could type letters, documents much faster than writing them by hand. Radio television made it possible to deliver news, information, and entertainment to thousands of people at the same time. They became very popular all over the world because after telegram, telephone, and especially radio, especially television, these are the important media. Especially television, we can see, radio we can listen, especially those those the sailors, those who will go for that fishermen, those who will go for that catching fishes. If any weather forecasting is there, then they will be it will be very useful for them, because they will then aware about from that news that what will they do, will they go or not, like that. Weather forecasting then generally broadcasting like that way, and people start to be very conscious. Modern communication is very important media for today. Modern communication, we can use the mobile phone, we can use the laptops, we can use the palm tops, we can use the desktops, so many things. And then we use the applications such as I spoke about that many more applications are there which you can use for communicate with the people. Especially improvement of the satellite. The first man-made satellite was sent into space in the mid-20th century. Today, such satellites have many different functions. Communication satellites allow radio, television, and telephone transmission to be sent live anywhere in the world. The internet, this is a worldwide web of connection which makes instant communication possible. Like that, if you have that internet connection, you can catch the world in your hand, like anyway. With computers, laptops, tablets, or smartphone, the internet is used to send and receive emails, get information from any part of the world, use social networking sites, upload and download pictures, book travel tickets, and shop online. That means everything, whatever you need. Mobile phone networks is very important for today. We all know about the importance of mobile phone, especially today, very important smartphone. Due to that smartphone, I can send you this video, you can receive the video. That means today that communication is so much developed. At our home we can get the classes, online classes, we can update ourselves, isn't it? So learn it very carefully. If you have any kind of doubt, ask me over the DPSJ help desk @gmail.com and send me like dear mom, and then send your any type of queries. Next day I will send the question answers and we will continue with the next topic. Up to that, stay tuned. Bye bye and be safe.